Families facing Alzheimer's, every moment matters. Now a treatment that slows the disease's progress is giving some local patients more precious time with the people they love. Sam Carter explains.
Married 54 years, David and Claudia Runge are one of those couples who...
What do I want to say?
Sense of humor.
Sense of humor, that's what I'm looking for.
finish each other's sentences. And that's why 3 years ago, Claudia was alarmed when she started sensing things were just a little off with David.
We would have a conversation, and 5 minutes later, he didn't know we'd had it.
After a series of tests, David was diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease. As part of his treatment, he was prescribed the drug lecanemab, which basically, it slows the growth of amyloids. Those are better known as brain plaque, and that can slow the progression. Norton Health was one of the first in the region to administer it, and the drug is given by infusion. And according to Norton Health neurologist Dr. David Cooper, therein lies one of the drawbacks.
We would call it a treatment burden. It is a hassle. So with lecanemab, it's every 2 weeks. The infusion itself takes about an hour, and there's some period of time of observation afterwards. So it's a significant burden.
Lecanemab has been shown to slow progress in many patients by almost 30%. And thanks to a recent FDA approval of an at-home injectable, it could soon be much easier to take.
It allows people to really essentially have a lot more freedom in their life while continuing to receive an effective treatment.
So while there still is no magic bullet, no cure, the time bought is obviously invaluable to folks like the Runges who know exactly what they plan to do with it.
With this one, the grandkids, I've got books to read.
While not released yet, Dr. Cooper believes the injectable version of the drug could be available by the fall. In Louisville, Sam Carter, WLKY News.